AIMIM. This is when, of course, the AIMIM corporator had in fact talked about green Mumra. Now, Maharashtra minister has in fact compared the AIMIM minister to a green snake. This is the latest that we're tracking at this hour. There seems to be a big political face-off between the Maharashtra government and AIMIM with regards to the green Mumra remark. Well, going back to my colleague Saurabh on this, Saurabh, walk us through the details. We also have some reactions coming in. Actually, let's listen to them first.
ये हराज साहब इम्तियाज जलील शायद अपना खुद का इतिहास भूल गया है कि जिस औरंगजेब ने, जिस टीपू ने हमारे इस महाराष्ट्र को और हमारे इस हिंदू राष्ट्र को हरा करने का सपना देखा, उनको इस महाराष्ट्र में ही दफन करके हमारे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज ने दिखा दिया है। ये हिंदू राष्ट्र है, यहाँ भगवा ही रहेगा और जो इस भगवे हिंदू राष्ट्र को हरा करने का सपना देखेगा, उसको उस औरंग्या के बाजू में हम महाराष्ट्र का हिंदू समाज ये दफन करके दिखा देगा।
Well, going back to my colleague Saurabh on this, Saurabh, the green Mumra controversy has now snowballed into, of course, the green Maharashtra controversy, and it's refusing to die down. Walk us through the latest that you're tracking in this story.
Well, let me tell you, the incident would have been closed yesterday when it was Seher Sheikh who actually started this entire controversy by claiming that she would be painting the entire Mumra with green color. And she yesterday had apologized to the Mumra police. She given a statement, not just one but twice. She said that if someone's sentiments have been hurt, then she apologized for the entire thing. But what happened next is that Imtiaz Jalil visited Mumra yesterday and he met all the corporators over there. There he said that my corporator Seher Sheikh has said nothing wrong. In fact, I will not just say that Mumra, but we will paint entire Maharashtra green. And this is when the reaction from BJP and Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena started to flood in when they clearly said that such type of statement won't be tolerated. Now the entry of Tipu Sultan, Aurangzeb and all these things has started. And let me tell you, this particular war of words, this controversy is not going to end soon, because top leaders from the AIMIM clearly not going down. They are saying that there is nothing wrong in saying that they will like to paint the entire Maharashtra green because the party color is green, and therefore they stand by the statement. But clearly BJP and Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena is saying that such statement won't be tolerated in the state of Maharashtra,
right,
and will be a lot of repercussion. In fact, BJP leaders and Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena party leaders are also planning to file a police complaint against Imtiaz Jalil.